Mixing colors on my palette bright, finding shades of you in every light. Daydreams swirling in my head tonight, crafting love in ways that feel just right. Brushes dance with every touch so true, tracing storylines of me and you. Whispered promises in shades of blue, blending hearts within this joyful hue. Oh babe, I'm falling for you, in every shade, every hue. Like a masterpiece, it's true. My heart's your canvas too. Knitting threads of moments we might share, sewing love with every stitch and care, creating memories we'll always wear in this tender DIY affair. Every project we begin anew, building dreams in shades of pink and blue. From the smallest spark our love just grew, crafting passion pure and true. Oh, oh babe, I'm falling